we have a new potting mix just for you. You guys know and love our Tonkadale outdoor potting soil. So we created a Tonkadale indoor potting soil. This 8-quart bag is perfect for all of your indoor plants. It's light and airy, holds moisture, and has lots of organic material. And guess what? It was blended and bagged just west of here. It's made up of sphagnum moss, bark fines, our specific recommendation of 20% perlite and 2% post-consumer organic compost. So basically, the food scraps that folks are throwing away gets hauled over and made into soil. How cool is that? Super sustainable. Should we open it up? Ooh, I like. So it's light and airy, it has a super neutral smell, so not stinky. You can see all of that good organic stuff. That black color means it's nice and nutrient rich. Good amount of perlite throughout there. Perfect for all of your indoor potting needs. We are busting at the seams with 8-quart bags at a $12.99 price point. We could not be more excited to have our own houseplant indoor potting mix. It's so cute. Look at our little cute guys on there. Have you met Pete and Pearl? I love them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at Tonkadale. Now's a great time to repot indoor plants.